Hey guys, Mike's Gettin Greasy Garage. Well, we're on the end of day 2 here. On, taking things apart on the Fairlane to get it ready to pressure wash. I got the heater assembly pulled out from the inside, which is full of a rat's nest. There was a rat's nest above it. All kinds of nasty shit in there. That was the heater core tubes. The blower motor went there. So, yeah, I got mounting holes here. These were bolts from the inside. These will be holes once I knock these out. Some sort of a hole in the firewall here. There's another one. So the old mechanical throttle pedal came through here and bolted here. That has to be moved because of the big block. So, and there's just a whole ton of holes. And they're all different things. There's one, I guess that's a plug, but hole there. The hole back in there. The firewall plugs where the harness was that I took out. I'm going to have to fill all these holes in. There's cable for the hole there. Don't need all of them. So, wasn't planning on it, but after looking around, I still got to pull the wiper motor off it. Bolt the wiper transmission bolts on way up underneath the dash. I just haven't laid underneath there to undo it yet. But after looking around, when they painted this up before, they had the whole front clip off. So basically, they didn't put all the bolts back in. They've got a bolt up here in the corner. Bolt the bottom. Each fender has a bolt in the bottom. And then basically this trim up front is bolted. And then there's one bolt right there. The whole works on. And all this stuff needs to be cleaned up and painted. Biggest reason I got to cut this battery tray out. There's rust and rot underneath this through the inner fender panel. So, like I was saying before, my phone decided to screw up here. There's just enough reasons to go ahead and pull the front clip. It makes it more work, but then I'll be able to fix all the broken bolts and bolt the front clip back on when everything's done with the right amount of bolts that it's supposed to have in the first place, so the front end ain't rattling around on this thing. So anyway, I haven't got the exhaust cut off yet. It's a lay under the car project. That's coming because underneath's going to have to be pressure washed. I got the master cylinder, the bad master cylinder off, and the booster. I'm going to go ahead and keep this bracket. Let me climb out of here. That's what's nice about old cars. So I've got all the wiring harness out of the front. Got the headlight bezels out. There's one here so I can clean them up and paint them before I put the new LED headlights in them. I'll go ahead and pull this front bumper assembly and just make it easier. That'll make it easier to clean up and wire wheel the frame. Get it nice and clean so the paint will stick and stay this time. From here you can see some of the daylight shining through. But, it's a 63-year-old car. What do you expect? There's always going to be unexpected things pop up. But in order to make it look nice and do it right, all these holes that aren't going to be used should be plugged, or not just plugged, but a piece of sheet metal cut to shape and welded in. So anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap it up for the night. Go get some supper. And I I think tomorrow's going to be pressure washing day. Get the inside and the engine compartment here all clean, and pressure wash the undercarriage, and then get it stuck in the shop and start on it. So, anyway, guys, that's where we're at today. This is just the beginning. It's a long project, and we'll get it done. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. If you have any questions or comments, you know where to leave them. And, hey, if you're not subscribed, please do. And go ahead and ring that bell for notifications. See you tomorrow.